to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do a very cool TikTok trend which is going on right now, and it is the Get Up Dance. That's the name of the song. It's by Ciara. And so let's just get on to it. The first thing we are going to do is jump 2 times. So at the beginning we have about 3 seconds or 5 to do whatever we want. We can just come close to the camera, then go away and start the dance. So you will hear it. We are going to jump 2 times. We are just going to, our legs when we jump are straight. We don't have to do this or anything. They're straight and together. And our hands are going to like bounce. We are going up and down. So we're going to do that 2 times. 1, 2. Now what we're going to do is this movement. Some people do it like this, and some people do like a run with their leg, like a circle. And you can choose your favorite, but I prefer just to step to the side, and we're going to do a side punch with our hands. To do that, what we're going to do is bend our left leg, and we're going to put it in front of us. We're just going to do a circle, a side punch, like this. And then what we're going to do is jump, and our hands are going to our sides, and they're bent as if we were showing how strong we are, but like we're not doing it actually. So we're just gonna bend them, and we're gonna do the kick step step 2 times. But first of all, let's do it from the beginning. So we dance a little bit, and we're doing jump, jump, side punch, up. Now we're doing the kick step step, kick step step. To do that, I'm just gonna show you how to do it. We are gonna, first of all, we are going to the right. Well, you can choose your favorite side, but I prefer to go to the right. First of all, we are gonna put out our right leg. We're just gonna kick. Like, the name of the movement explains it all. We are gonna kick. We're gonna step on that leg, and our left leg, which is on the air right now, we are gonna bend it behind us. So it's kick, step, step. And with our hands, we're just doing this. Like on every movement, we are changing the position of our hands. One hand is bent up and the other one is bent down. So it's kick, step, step, and we're doing the same but to the other side. Kick, step, step. So let's do it once again. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Just try it a couple times and you will get it. So let's do it from the 2 jumps. We're doing 1, 2, 1, 2, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Now we are going to step with our right leg forward, which is the one that is behind us right now. And we are going to do 1, 2. So it's very easy. We're doing kick, step, step, kick, step, step, 1, 2. So our hands are over here. I'm just going to open them, close, open them, close. That's it. So we're doing 1, 2. Let's do it from the beginning. We are doing jump, jump, side punch up, kick, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, 1, 2. Now we are diving forward. Our hands are together. We can either put them like this or cross our hands. It's gonna look like this. And we are diving with our head into them like this. And we can bend our legs a little bit like this, or we can like just do this. Choose your favorite, and let's start from the beginning once again. We are gonna jump, jump, side punch up, kick, step, step, 1, 2, dive. And after that, we are going to do 2 steps backwards. They're kind of like side steps, like we turn around each time we are stepping. We do 1, 2. Now, our hands can go forward, or they can stay up here with our hands crossed. We can do either this or this. And, well, like, we can do like 2 side steps, or we can actually go to the back, but I prefer going to the back. You can choose. And after that, I prefer to go forward again. I know it sounds weird, but let's just do it once more from the beginning. We are doing jump, jump, side punch up, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, 1, 2, dive, go to the back, and now we are diving again, like with our hands. This is a very free movement because you can either just dive again or do like this or just not do anything. You can choose, but I prefer to like do this. And now there are like 2 beats. What we're gonna do is 1 and 2. We're just gonna go with our elbow outwards. We're gonna do 1 and 2. So it's basically we dive and then we go 1, 2. And then we are gonna dive again, but to the other side. We can do the same thing. This time I do prefer to dive, like actually dive. So we're doing 1 and 2. So to do this thing, we just have to twist our leg. So first of all, my knee is looking towards the camera, and then it's gonna go forward and backward, like this, boom, boom. And our hands are forward, and we're just gonna bend our right leg, our right hand, I'm sorry, and then we're gonna return it to its starting position. So we're doing 1 and 2. Let's do it from the beginning. We're doing jump, jump, step, punch up, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. 1, 2, dive, go to the back. Then we're gonna dive again. 1, 2, dive, 1, 2. And now we're gonna do the 2 last movements. As you see, this dance is pretty easy, pretty fast to learn. So we are doing 1. So to do that, we're just gonna step with our right leg, and our hand goes like this. It goes in, and then you like put it, and then you do the same with your other hand. But instead of going like this, I just prefer to do it 1 time, and then do the same but like jumping, because it's the end of the song, at the end of the dance, and at the end of the dance we can do practically whatever we want. So you can choose your like ending movement. I prefer to just jump. And let's do it once more from the beginning, and we are done. So, from the jumping, are you ready? Jump, jump, side punch up, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. 1, 2, dive, back, back, dive. 1, 2, dive. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That is it. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was helpful for you. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. This is my account. And also, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!